Stardust whispers, a memory's faint gleam. Another world shattered, another lost dream. I gather the fragments, a mosaic of souls, and forge a new self beyond all controls. The echo of laughter, the sting of the blade, in endless rebirth, a cosmic charade. I am the weaver, the broken, the whole, a symphony fractured beyond mortal control. Each universe a canvas, a life etched in pain, a tapestry woven in cosmic rain. The weight of forever, a burden I bear, to save and to suffer, beyond all compare. The hues of forgotten suns paint my inner eye, a kaleidoscope of moments as galaxies die. The touch of a lover, the fear of the fall, resonate within me, answering every call. I am the confluence where rivers collide, a torrent of being where destinies reside. I am the weaver, the broken, the whole, a symphony fractured beyond mortal control. Each universe a canvas, a life etched in pain, a tapestry woven in cosmic rain. The weight of forever, a burden I bear, to save and to suffer, beyond all compare. The skin of a god, but the heart of a ghost, a traveler weary on eternity's coast. The silence of voids, the scream of the stars, a constant reminder of who I truly are. To lose and to find in an endless design, a fractal of being forever entwined. I am the weaver, the broken, the whole, a symphony fractured beyond mortal control. Each universe a canvas, a life etched in pain, a tapestry woven in cosmic rain.